We are a group of 8 team members driven by a common goal to use technology for the good of the society, which led us to taking up a challenge to explore the unexplored. Our focus is the field of healthcare, helping clinicians to diagnose Parkinson's using virtual reality.
Achillois, meaning she who drives away the pain. This name has been chosen by our team to embody our vision of developing a virtual reality platform for over 10 billion people worldwide living with the Parkinson's disease. Motor symptoms could be tough for these patients. However, visual and cognitive impairments can be even more challenging. This game replicates the Montreal Cognitive Assessment Test in an immersive virtual reality platform, helping us to assess the cognitive ability and capturing eye movements for these patients.
Now let's see the demonstration of the game in clinical setup.
Let's start with a few basic questions. Also first name.
Sanya.
Last one.
Same.
Your date of birth.
7 March 1998.
Your email ID.
Sanya
Okay. We got all your details. Thank you. So now let's watch a short tutorial to learn more about the game.
The first thing to do is secure the wrist strap. Loop it around your wrist and then move the slider towards your wrist until it is stuck. Move your hand to point at the target objects and press the trigger to select the target object.
In this game, you need to select a letter and an animal in alphabetical order. Welcome to Achillois. Click anywhere to begin. Let's begin the game. Select the letter and then select animal starting with that letter. Now let's start with A. Good job. Let's search for the animal that starts with alphabet A. Select ant. Yay! Let's continue with the game and move on to the next alphabet. Search and select the alphabet B. Now select the animal that begins with alphabet B. Look for butterfly. You selected a wrong target. Please try again. Select butterfly. Amazing. Let's move ahead and select C. Let's select chicken. Where are chickens? Congratulations. You have successfully completed the tutorial. You are now ready to play Achillois.
The clinicians or researchers accompanying the patients have an option to choose the level and complexity of the game from the app. As the level increases from 1 to 3, the number of targets increases from 4 to 8 and field of view increases from 60 degrees to 210 degrees. Further, all levels have 3 complexities: easy, medium and difficult. Thus we have 27 game scenes which have been automated to randomize.
Now that you have practiced, let's play the game.
Let's play third level game with difficult complexity. Here, the targets are scattered around the environment in 210 degrees field of view. If a person chooses an incorrect target, a message "try again" will appear in the game. There are 16 targets, that is 8 letters and corresponding 8 animals. All features of the game adhere to the MoCA test. In order to increase the difficulty, the target objects which do not contribute to the game sequence, like ostrich, buildings, pigs, are added to the scene. We have also generated a CSV file that captures participant details, the actual sequence of targets clicked, the expected sequence, and the error rate. In the project, our research has been mainly focused on eye tracking analytics, which provides valuable insights into user attention. It helps clinicians to understand the areas of patients' focus and measure their reactions to better diagnose their health conditions. We capture eye and head movements at a rate of 60 to 80 records per second in 6 degrees of freedom, 3 translational and 3 rotational, in 10 parameters, along with the timestamp in milliseconds to distinguish between every record. After obtaining this data, researchers at the USC Department of Biokinesiology and Physical Therapy will use it to compare with the optimal movements and visualize it in order to diagnose whether the person is suffering from Parkinson's disease. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to Professor Finley, Professor V, Isaiah, and RTAs for their constant support during this COVID time.